Day 2 with a detox. Be flexible. Today is all about going with the flow. So if you get lost in the flow, just pick back up where you left off. Keep moving. To begin, find a downward facing dog, but with really bent knees so you can pedal the legs out. Flexing, moving, just moving with your own breath, rhythm that your body asks for. Create your own inner flow. And slowly, and I mean slowly, walk your feet to the front of the mat. Feel each footprint press down, one in front of the other. Keeping that focus, staying flexible with those knees. All right, when you get there to the front, have a bend in the knees. You're going to sway side to side. Maybe grab opposite elbows as you do so. The head is relaxed, loose. Feel the decompression in your spine. And then finding stillness, slowly roll your way all the way up to standing. Reach the arms up overhead on the inhale, palms connect, and exhale, hands meet at heart center. And inhale, shoulders roll down away from the ears as we begin. Arms reach up overhead, inhale. Exhale, forward folding. Inhale, find a long spine. And planting the palms, step your left foot back. Inhale, one breath. Exhale, back, downward facing dog. Flow forward. Inhale, shift to plank. Exhale, press back, downward facing dog. All right, stay with the right leg, lifting, inhale. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend the leg back. Exhale, step forward, come into a high lunge. Slowly placing that right foot down, arms extend up overhead. Right, flexibility here in the mind. Keep your focus, follow the breath. And exhale, hands lower down, step your left foot forward to the front. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, folding. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Exhale, hands heart center. Let's do the other side. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, long spine. Here, step your right foot back. Inhale, one breath. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, shift to a plank. Exhale, press back, downward dog. Left leg lifts, inhale. Exhale, knee to nose in a plank. Inhale, extend the leg. Exhale, step forward, come into a high lunge. With the inhale, rise on up. Continue to breathe. Finding flexibility in the breath. Exhale, hands lower down. Step your right foot up to meet the left. Inhale, long spine. Folding forward, exhale. Inhale, rise all the way up. And on the exhale, hands at heart center. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, forward fold. We head on this time. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, step your left foot back. Stay in this lunge. Inhale, one breath. And then exhale, start to extend through your right leg. Two more like that. Inhale, bending. Exhale, extend. Inhale, bend. Exhale, extending. Rebend that right knee. Plant the palms. Downward facing dog. Again, inhale to a plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, shift forward. This time lower the knees down and lower to a low push-up. Here we go, our first back bend. Inhale, little lift, cobra. And exhale, press back, tabletop position to downward facing dog. And stay with the right leg, lifting on the inhale when you're ready. We're going to bring knee to nose 3 times. Exhale. Inhale, extend the leg. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, reach it back. One more, knee to nose. Exhale. Stepping that right foot between the hands, high lunge. We rise all the way up. You're grabbing the left elbow with your right hand. Stretch out the left tricep, your shoulders. Lift up a little taller through the chest. Breathe. And as you exhale, warrior two, open up the arms. Your right heel aligns with left inner arch. Extend long through all 10 of your fingertips. Ready? Reverse on the inhale, reaching the right arm straight up. And exhale, hands lower down. Step your left foot to the front of the mat quietly. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms rise overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center. And on the other side, inhale, arms reach up. Folding forward, exhale. Inhale to a flat back. Step your right foot back. Right, inhale. Keep that bend in the left knee. Exhale, extend through the left leg now. Inhale, rebend. And exhale, extending the leg. One more like that. Inhale, bending. Exhale, extending. Rebend that left knee so you can plant the palms. Step back, downward facing dog. Inhale to a plank. And exhale, downward dog. And inhale, ripple forward plank. Exhale, low push-up. Right, upward dog and the inhale. So thighs are lifted, chest open, arms straight. Exhale, downward facing dog. Staying with that left leg. We're going to inhale, lift it up high. 3 times, knee to nose. Exhale, draw it in. Inhale, extend the leg. And exhale, knee to nose. One more. Inhale, extending. Draw that knee in. Step the foot between the hands. Rise all the way up, high lunge. First, grounding the feet. And then when you're ready, stable. Bend into the right elbow. Grab it with the left hand. And lean back like a little pillow. Lifting up to the chest. Nice back bend. And open up warrior two. Drop that back heel down. And you want to check that your left knee stays stacked over the left ankle. Reach long through the fingertips. Reverse your warrior. Inhale. And on the exhale, lower the hands down to the mat. Step your right foot up to meet the left. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, arms reach up overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center. One more sequence here. Inhale, reach the arms up. Interlace the hands, reach them up overhead. Lift up and side bend to the right. Breathe into the left lungs. Inhale, reach back up through center. And exhale, over to the left. Inhale, back to center. And like before, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, long spine. And exhale, step your left foot back. We're in this lunge position. Again, exhale, extend through your right leg. With the breath, inhale, rebend. Exhale, extend. Inhale, rebend the knee. And exhale, extending. Option to stay here. Curl those right toes up towards your shin. Or for a twist, challenge the balance. Reach your right arm to the side or maybe up. Try and keep those hips level. And exhale, lower those hands down. Bend the right knee. Step it back, downward facing dog. Inhale, shift to a plank. Exhale, bend it back, downward facing dog. This time, shift forward to a plank. Exhale, low push-up. Upward dog on the inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Lifting the right leg on the inhale. Bringing knee to nose, exhale. 2 more like that. Inhale, extend the leg. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend. And exhale, knee to nose. Reach the right leg up high. Inhale. Step the foot between the hands, back in a high lunge, arms extend up. You're going to bend that left elbow once again, lean on back, or full Gomukhasana bind. The right hand comes behind you. Maybe the fingertips touch, maybe you use a towel, maybe you grab a ponytail. Feel it in your shoulders, most importantly. One more inhale. And on the exhale, release that bind. You're going to open up Warrior Two. Once again. Reverse, inhaling. Opening up into the right lungs. Now as we come to triangle, extend through your right leg. Reach your right hand as far forward as it can go. And then let your hand come on down, maybe your shin, maybe to a block, maybe the floor. Left arm reaches up overhead. Extend through the fingertips, extend through the legs. Maybe reach that left arm forward out in front of you. Rise back on up, Warrior Two, to transition. Bind up the hands behind the small of your back. Open up the chest. Reach the hands on the inseam of your left leg. Exhale, Humble Warrior, folding on in. We're going to hold here. And so keep pressing into the outer edge of your left foot. Work your right hip back. Hands will lower down on the next exhale. Transition, step your left foot up to meet the right. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, and fold. Inhale, arms rise overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center. Last side here, inhale, reach arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Flat back on the inhale. Step your right foot back in that lunge. The next exhale, extend through your left leg. Inhale, rebend the left knee. Exhale, extend. Inhale, rebend. One more, exhale, extend. So the option, we stay here, or for that twist, root down through your right fingertips, left arm sweeps to the side, maybe up. Steady your gaze, steady your balance. Exhale, lower that left hand down. Bend your left knee. Stepping on back, downward facing dog. Inhale to a plank. Exhale, downward facing dog, bend knees. Inhale, ripple forward plank. Exhale, low push-up. Upward dog on the inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Let's finish it out. Left leg lifts on the inhale. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend the left leg back. Knee to nose, exhale. Inhale, extend the leg. Knee to nose, exhale. Reach that left leg up high. Then quietly step left foot between the hands. Rise on up, high lunge. Arms reach up overhead. So either the half bind, like we worked into before, or the full bind, that left arm comes behind your back. Either way, keep the gaze forward or slightly up. Keep the chest lifted and open. Next exhale, release that bind. We're going to open up Warrior Two. Reverse, inhale, we're holding here. Lift up a little higher through your left ribs. Gazing up to the ceiling or down. Inhale back, Warrior Two. And then straightening both legs out for a triangle. Left arm reaches all the way forward, then hand come on down. Keep breathing. Draw shoulder blades together. That option of reaching your right arm all the way forward. Upper arm bone near your ear. Rise back up on the inhale. Interlace the hands small to the back. Take a little back bend. Inhale, arms extend. Exhale, and fold. Right, work your left hip back. Round through that back foot. Relax your neck. Let the arms get heavy. Inhale, rise all the way back up. Arms extend. Jump the feet together. The art of being flexible is also having fun. That concludes day 2 of the detox. See you tomorrow for day 3.